So today we are going to be talking about plagiarism because we have another essay coming up, so you need to know and understand plagiarism and know how to cite your sources using EasyBib. So what is plagiarism? Plagiarism is using someone else's words, ideas, or images as your own. Plagiarism is dishonest, unethical, and illegal. Unintentional ways of using plagiarism would be using minimal or careless paraphrasing, failing to document or cite properly, quoting excessively, or failing to use your own voice to present ideas or information. Intentional plagiarism would be like copying a friend's work, buying or borrowing papers, cutting and pasting from sources without giving credit, borrowing media without giving credit, or publishing on the web without the permission of the original creators. Consequences for plagiarism can be 0 credit for work, parents will be notified, referral to administration, suspension or expulsion from school activities, and it could even mean expulsion from school depending on the school. Ways to avoid plagiarism. Don't copy word for word or copying and pasting. Don't print directly from a source and turn it in as your own. Don't copy from other students. Do take notes and do paraphrase. You can quote directly if you put quotation marks around words that you take directly from a source, but make sure you always give credit to the source and include a works cited page. Paraphrasing means that you would read a passage, learn what it means, and retell it in your own words or voice. Make sure you always give credit to the source here also. Info that is known to many people is common knowledge, such as George Washington was the first president. Those sorts of things don't have to be cited. And lastly, an easy citation machine to use is EasyBib.com. And make sure that you always are using MLA format. Here are the sources from this PowerPoint. So now we're going to close out of this and we are going to go to EasyBib so I can show you how you would cite a source using EasyBib. So here you get to EasyBib and you can see that you can choose to cite a website, book, newspaper, journal, or if you click on all 59 options, there's a ton of options of sources that you can cite using this resource. So as we see, MLA is already clicked on. So we're going to cite a book. So click on book and then click manual cite. Then we scroll down. So we're citing Narrative of the Life of Frederick Douglass. The author of this book is actually Frederick Douglass himself. So in contributors author we put Douglass. Oops. Douglass. Then source title would be Narrative of the Life of Frederick Douglass. It doesn't have volume edition series, so we'll leave that out. The publisher is Dover Publications. The city is New York. And the year is 1995. So once we have all of our information, all we do is click on Create Citation. And there we go. Right here, we have our citation. So all we need to do is highlight that citation and copy and paste it into our Works Cited page. So if you are wondering what to do when it comes to the point of your paper where you create a Works Cited page, you can revisit this video to see what it is you need to do. Hopefully this will help you.